The Communication Forensic and Cybercrime Division, CFCD, was engaged and provided valuable evidence which was supported by independent information received. A search operation was carried out in the West Kingston area where vital information was also received. On March 11, 2020, between the hours of 5:45 p.m. and 7:40 p.m., Mr. Paul Thomas, Superintendent of Police, in charge of Major Investigation Division, led a team of police personnel drawn from MID, Corporate Area and Area 3, and the Manchester Division on simultaneous operations in Greenvale, Manchester, and several premises off Lindus Road in search of Jasmine Dean, persons of interest, and or personal items belonging to the said Jasmine Dean. On Friday, March 17, 2020, about 4 p.m., a 27-year-old security guard of 11 miles Bull Bay, St. Andrew, and his common-law wife were both interviewed and statements recorded. A silver 2014 Nissan Latio motor car, registered 0962JE, was processed by forensic crime scene investigators attached to MID Scenes of Crime Unit. A Samsung J3 cellular phone was also seized and later submitted to CFCD for analysis. In furtherance to the said investigation, canvasses were conducted right across the corporate area, including Papine, downtown Kingston, Ocherios, among other places. Based on information received, other search operations were carried out at several premises in Seaview Gardens, Walton Park Road, and Wint Road, Kingston 5, in search of Miss Dean and her personal items. These searches proved futile. Communities where special operations have been conducted by the police include Lindus Road, Seaview Gardens, Jonestown, Bull Bay, Manchester, Greenvale, that's Manchester, Walton Park Road, Augustown, Papine, Draxall in St. Anne, Wint Road, East Kingston, downtown Kingston, Arborview, and Palisadoes Strip. We have, during our investigation, identified a person of interest in which we are seeking the public support to identify this particular individual. We will be circulating photographs of that individual so that the public will get a chance to see and provide information which is very important to this investigation. What we can say at this time is that Ms. Dean, based on our investigation, we have identified that on the 27th of February 2020, about 10:34 p.m., Ms. Dean, based on her cell phone, was in Bull Bay. At 12:19 a.m., we can say that we have evidence that there was movement in Arborview. And at 12:35 a.m., that is the 28th, we can say the last time our phone was on or active was at 12:35 p.m. 12:35 a.m., thank you. And that was somewhere downtown Kingston. Since then, we have not been able to